Hello everyone. Exiting a group on WhatsApp is easy, but exiting a community can be confusing sometimes because it also has different group, right? Sometimes you join a group and you also join a community and you get confused how to exit it. I will tell you. So let's go to the community option on WhatsApp. As you can see on the screen, I'm scrolling it down. Different communities are here with many groups, right? So I'm choosing this one, Anubhava, its name is, and I'm going to tap on the announcement option, and from here I will tap on the description area, and you have to tap on the community option and not the announcement. Once you tap there, you will have option of exit community. One option is from there, other is from directly when you are in the this section. You can tap on three dots and you will have option of exit community. So two ways are there. And if you exit from a group and that community has only one group, then you will be removed from the community also directly, right? So if that community has many groups, then you will be removed from the particular group and not all the group. For that, you will have to exit the community as I told you. But in case you know that the community has only one group, then you will be removed from the community as well, because community is formed using the groups itself, right? So I'm showing you right now how do we do that with other communities as well. And this is just for clearance and understanding of what communities significance is and what group significance is when you are exiting, right? And that is how we do it. See you in next video. Tada.